Tocino ham. Come on, everybody, let's get involved. Woo! Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we are going to be cooking up a Tocino ham. It's going to be incredible. We're going to be cooking it on the Z Grill. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do that here in just a minute. So, who is coming over tonight? We have Steve Wheeler. We also have Chris Underdahl. They're both going to be killing it on guitars tonight, alongside Cary Jordan on the bass and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! Let's go ahead and put this marinade together. We're going to start off with some garlic. We've got 12 cloves of minced garlic. We have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of pineapple juice. We're going to add a little bit of red food coloring to this. We might throw a little extra food coloring in there. Bump it up a notch.
It's blood.
Sorry. Marinade is ready to go. Let's get this ham out of the package. Let's get this ham in the marinade. So here we are. Let's go. All right, see how well that fits? Don't worry about it. We're gonna slosh this all over. It's gonna be great. Actually, we're gonna grab another container, so hang on one second. This is a funny episode so far.
So far.
Okay, now that we found a larger container for this ham, into this container we go. In our marinade goes. Yes, look at that. All right, now we give that a few hours, let it do its thing, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're gonna be cooking this Tocino ham on the Z Grill. We're gonna power up. We're gonna be cooking about 300 degrees for about 2 hours, just enough to get this thing reheated, and we're gonna be serving it. So here we go. It's set. We're gonna let this start smoking. Once it smokes, I'm gonna close the lid, turn it to 300, pop it on, and that's it. We are looking good, guys. All right, I'm gonna put it on this rack. We're gonna put it on the Z Grill, and here we go. Pull it out of here. All right, we're ready to go. Just put it on for 2 hours, 300 degrees. Here we go. What you got, Z Grill? We're gonna baste this about every 20 minutes with that marinade. So, catch you guys back here in a minute. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come on, people. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's do a baste. All right, I'm gonna finish basting this. We'll catch you guys back here in a minute. All right, we are ready to go. It's time to pull. Here we go. Woo! Check it out.
Marlon Perkins there. Oh,
Yeah, baby.
Check that business out.
whoa!
Throw these guys on.
That's beautiful.
All right, cool. All right, it's time to cut into this Tocino ham. So let's check it out. Ooh.
Bravo.
Oh yeah. Oh man, check that out. Oh. Do you see the juices just jumping out of this thing? Oh my god.
I see the future. I see
Oh.
sandwich euros with this.
Whoa. Guys, there's so much. Look at that. Oh my god. All right.
And
Wow.
Home Rush, the barbecue.
Yes. I'm gonna bring the guys in and we're gonna start sampling this stuff and checking it out and see what everybody thinks of this Tocino ham. So without further ado, we have Chris Underdahl over here. We also have Cary Jordan and Steve Wheeler. He's gonna come over here and say hi, but you know, he might take a slide, we'll see. What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's up, brother?
Well, you done it again.
Yeah, I know, I'm ready to get involved with this ham.
Do it every time.
Oh my god, look at the steam coming off this thing. You guys ready to get burned?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yes!
I will have no cells on the inside of my mouth if it looks kind of hot.
Well, that's the idea. So we're gonna have some fun with this one. We're gonna be
Oh, really?
burning it up tonight.
Well, there is a Paramutual down the street. I saw the lights
Ah, very good, very good.
with the fire people.
Were you guys ready to check this thing out?
I'll
You ought to
check it.
grab some
So what,
pieces and just...
real quick before we go, what's all of this? What's this?
All right,
What's
so
all
that's-
this here?
That's the garlic bits from the
Oh, garlic,
marinade.
okay.
That's garlic from the marinade.
Just
It just came
Just
on
curious.
it from the
Second
store.
question.
Yes, exactly.
I don't know what it is.
Where's the stuff for the rest of you guys?
Where's the stuff the rest
That's
of us?
mine.
I know, dude. I was getting that, dude. I've got
Where's
it in the back.
everything?
There you go.
Did you bring enough for everybody?
Well, I don't know. We're gonna find out.
I think
There's
you
quite
did.
a few hungry eyes back there.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, y'all come over and grab a slice and just see what you think. Come on. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, Wheeler's coming in.
I'm tuning in for that.
Get you some
I want some of that stuff on it. Little land sushi.
Ooh,
I didn't know ham could do that.
I didn't know that either. I like
try a
that.
little bit of this.
Tennessee
a little bit
jumping
of that.
pig.
Whoa.
Wow. Hey, I like that. Y'all check this out. This is so
Oh, that's
good.
unreal.
It's super easy.
Sweet.
That's insane.
I know you're a ham guy too.
Have you done this before, this ham?
This is the first time I've done this.
Keep this up.
Tocino ham.
Damn.
Ham, ham, dude.
All right, sweet.
Wow. I'm backing out of the
Well, I think this is a winner ham dinner over here.
You can do this again and
You have a dog that's about to come unglued.
Uno mas.
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
Uno mas too, and then I'm out. Goodbye.
I'm gonna slice up your boys and bring some other people on. So, dude. Whoa.
Unreal.
Wow.
That's insane. That's so
All right. Tocino ham. Martine.
Yes, sir.
James Salzer. Cooper. Ryan Cobb is like, no,
Ryan, you don't like ham?
Bro.
just grab some. Okay. And see what you think. How's it going, man? Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you. Yeah, I know. We see each other all the time.
All right. I'm going to do these ones.
Oh, buddy. Look at that. Holy. Woo. We also have Jake Lavin over here. What's up, Bubba? How's you doing, dude?
Very good.
Oh, man.
Better now. About that, Martine. It's different.
Uh-oh. It's so tender. It is tender.
Gosh, tender.
Isn't that good?
God.
Yeah, that's why you're
So many different
Come on.
flavors. Let me get
There's
some.
your blood.
He's got to go in for a double dip.
I want to get the outside.
Oh, you want the crust?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good choice, my dude.
Dude, that one is rocking.
So interesting. And it's wonderful.
Come on in, man. Check it out.
All right.
Yeah, it's different.
It's been like a year since Jake's been over, so this is a treat having him back over.
It's already sliced, so you can get that.
This spiral slice.
Everything
Yeah,
inside
the
of it.
flavor. It's like a whole different
Inside of it.
situation going on there with your ham. So, man,
Different situation with your ham.
it is a different.
Wow.
The crust.
Easy.
Nice.
Easy, buddy.
Oh my god.
Leave your fantasies at home.
I don't know how to describe it.
I know. It's just. got a lot of good flavors going on with that.
They don't burn your buns, bro.
Sweet. It is kind of, I think that garlic's really good.
Martine, don't forget your buns, what was that called again? Don't burn the buns, bro.
Don't burn the buns, bro.
Well done, Will. Well done.
Thank you very much.
That's the ham jam.
The ham jam, come on, bro.
I saw them going out.
2 hours or a little bit less, you know, depending on how many hungry people you have staring you down. But, you know, guys, this is killer. I'm going to pull these buns off. We're going to make some little Sammies. We're going to catch you guys back here in a little bit. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Come on, people, let's get involved. Alright guys, we had an excellent show tonight. That Tocino. Incredible. You guys have got to get involved with that, I'm telling you. Including these jams. Oh my god, guys, this is so much fun. What'd you guys think of that ham tonight?
Incredible.
So good. Oh my god, what a great crowd that we're having tonight. Happy holidays to you guys, by the way. And thank you so much to Derek Enner. Always is the merch buddy. You were killing it. This is a great little holiday thing going on here. You guys got to check it out for your holiday parties. Anyway, other than that, guys, that's it. This is a wrap. We're going to catch you guys next time. Let's get involved. Woo!